Hello everyone, I'm Akhil, I'm the founder of Dojima Network. Very glad to be the title sponsor of Hackathon. And for all the teams that got selected today, congratulations guys. This might be your first step to building the next big thing in the Web3 space, so keep building. So it all started in 2008 with a simple decentralized cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin. Soon, there was a need to develop decentralized applications, and to solve this need came Ethereum, and basically a solution which solved the problem of deploying applications on top of a blockchain. But now, if you see the ecosystem, there are a lot of blockchain platforms out there, a lot of layer 1 and layer 2 platforms, each having their own characteristics, and a developer or user wants to select a particular blockchain is facing confusion over it. Being the first entrant into the market, Ethereum enjoyed its monopoly for a long time, but now the market share is getting distributed among different blockchains out there due to the increasing number of bridges to make the movement of funds easily possible. You can see from the graph over here, the market share of Ethereum has been reducing over time, and the total value of assets that are being locked up in bridges is increasing over time. This is a clear indication of our cross-chain future. So every blockchain is standalone, having its own architecture with its own independent language to develop, and there's no common interface between all these blockchains. And a developer wanting to develop a cross-chain application has to deploy multiple times on different blockchains, and also cross-compatibility between the same application on different chains is also not possible. With so many blockchain platforms out there, each having their own token formats, and the requirement to use separate provider to deploy contracts on that particular blockchain, the whole of this is making the Web3 experience very unorganized for a user. So Dojima Network is here to solve this problem. Dojima Network is creating a cross-chain layer 1 between all the blockchains, connecting to all the chains and pulling in assets and data from all these chains. And it's very helpful for the adoption efforts of all the Web3 companies, as developers and users can now be able to develop and deploy applications on all the blockchains very easily. And to make things more awesome, the middle ground we created is the EVM chain, further increasing its appeal to more than 80% of the Web3 developers. So to create a complete cross-chain ecosystem, there are 3 phases to it. In the first phase, we'll be forming connections between all the chains and Dojima chain. In the second phase, we'll be forming independent connections between all the connected chains to enable easy transfer of assets between the connected chains. And in the third phase is where we'll be aggregating protocols from all the chains, and we'll be deploying interface contracts on each chain so that to enable cross-chain interoperability between the protocols. So along with the core architecture, we developed a lot of cross-chain products, from cross-chain wallet to a cross-chain dApp store, and we also developed a cross-chain API service along with cross-chain developer dashboard to make development and deployment of cross-chain applications easier. Along with these products, a lot of other cross-chain products are in our pipeline to keep us on a fast track to achieving our mission of organizing the cross-chain future. So for all the developers that are out here and starting out, so you need to understand the difference between a normal dApp and a cross-chain dApp. And a normal dApp is limited to one particular blockchain, whereas a cross-chain dApp, the state of that particular dApp is shared between all the connected blockchains, and developers could access the data of their particular blockchain on all the connected chains. And it's also very important to understand the difference in business model between a Web2 company and a Web3 company. In a Web2 company, when the revenue rises, the investors take a look at it and invest in the stock, which ultimately increases the value of the company. Whereas in the Web3 company, the increase in utility automatically increases the value of the company, as utility token and stock are synonymous in a Web3 company. So it's very important for you guys to build a strong utility for your token. And to build a strong utility, it's very important for you guys to form a strong community. Building a community is one of the most important aspects for a Web3 company. And to build a strong community, first firstly, you need to attract potential community participants. And to do this, you can start with branding, airdrops, collaborations, and bounties as such. Once you attract potential community participants, you need to keep them engaged. To keep them engaged, you can organize hackathons, you can organize workshops and community calls and all of that. So once you identify all these active community participants, then you can start distributing ownership among these active participants to create a sense of ownership and thus building a strong community. We recently launched our testnet at IIT Bombay in front of 5,000 developers recently. From then on, we've doubled down on our mission to organize the cross-chain future. I'd like to end the presentation with a small video showcasing how we're getting closer to organize the cross-chain future. Thank you everyone. Check out Dojima Network